Spooky season is finally here, so I made a batch of Torty and Black Kitty keycaps for Halloween. These black kitties were inspired by Smokey from Neko Atsume. I'm also restocking one of my most popular kitties, Pepper Miso, and somehow one Torty bunny snuck in too. I always thought that Torty and black cats just look so mischievous and cute, and looking at them together, they make the coziest little spooky friend group. I also decorated the kitty condo with tiny pumpkins just to make everything feel super cozy and festive. And setting it up like this, I'm just obsessed. If you love Halloween and spooky cats, these cuties are for you. They'll be available in my shop update on October 29th. See you there!